and welcome. My name is Mary. On this episode, I will be sharing with you one of my top recipes. Please watch this video till the end and subscribe to this channel for more amazing recipes. The vegetable ingredients you will need are cauliflower, broccoli, 1 medium-sized carrot, a leek, 1 red onion, a beetroot, a bunch of dania, and 2 glassfuls of rice. For 2 glasses of rice, boil 4 glasses of water. Continue to cook the rice on low heat. To thoroughly clean the broccoli and cauliflower, I will add 2 cupfuls of vinegar to the water and let soak for 5 minutes, after which I will rinse out on running water. Slicing the broccoli and cauliflower into smaller pieces makes it easier to eat for the kids. Separate the dania leaves and stems. ingredients today, of course, we have the onions. I've diced one onion, and then we have 3 cloves of garlic, and then we have a teaspoon of tomato paste. Then here we have the stems of a coriander. Over here, the only spice of the day we're going to use is like a half a tablespoon of turmeric. This is the brand that I'll be using today. We have a grated beetroot, our chopped leeks, and then we have the coriander leaves. We have our grated carrots. We have our vegetables, our cauliflower and our broccoli. Here I've diced them into small pieces, and over here we have our rice that we boiled earlier. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Brown, add in tomato paste and turmeric and continue to cook. I will now add in beetroot, carrot and dania stems. Adjust your flame to high as well. At this point, I will add 4 tablespoons of water. Our vegetable rice is now ready. Garnish with dania leaves and leeks.